Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to update outdated Steam Workshop mods using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken file versions on your current setup session, so your community add-ons work perfectly with your newest game updates. Step 1. Open your Master Applications Settings panel. The first step is to open your main application window on your desktop screen and head straight into your central configuration room. Move your mouse pointer up to the very top left corner of your screen workspace, click once on the main word Steam, look down the choice list to find the button labeled Settings, and click on it. Watch for the main options panel to slide open right in the middle of your monitor screen view, displaying all your setup categories. Because you need to reach your main network download rules before your software can hunt for fresh file updates, opening this central panel gives you a clear look at your overall system rules. Without this step, your software will keep running your old broken files without ever checking the online servers for new versions. Step 2. Wipe out your temporary download cache folder. Next, you need to head over to your File Delivery tab and use the built-in Folder Cleaner button to throw away your old stored data pieces so the system can look for fresh updates. Move your cursor to the left side menu bar, click on the row that says Downloads, look at the middle area of your screen canvas rows, locate the button that says Clear Download Cache, and click it once. Click the OK button when the confirmation box asks if you want to restart your application, and wait for the software window to close and turn back on. Because your computer piles up old static tracking details in its temporary memory card. If the computer thinks your old files are already fully downloaded and perfect, it will completely skip over them. Clearing this cache box sweeps away those old memories completely, forcing the program engine to double-check all your files against the internet versions from scratch. Now you need to switch your download location region to a different city to trigger a fresh network scan and pull down the newest mod files from a fresh warehouse. Open your settings window again, click back into that same Downloads row on the left, find the drop-down menu box labeled Download Region, click on it, and select a different city or neighboring state from the list. Watch the server name box update to show your new chosen city location flat against your background view. Because your current internet delivery station might be lagging behind or slow to share the newest file updates, switching your region path tells the software engine to connect to a different network hub. This clears out any slow connection bugs instantly and alerts the computer that a newer version of your mod is waiting to be downloaded. And that's it. To update outdated Steam Workshop mods, you must first click Steam at the top left and open your Settings panel on your screen. Then you move your mouse to the Downloads row and click the Clear Download Cache button to wipe out your old folder files and restart your app. Next, you look at your screen canvas rows to switch your download region to a different city to find a fresh network connection. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.